How to reset Instagram password. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can reset your Instagram password if you have forgotten it. For that, you will have to open your Instagram application on your device and navigate to the login screen. Here, click on Log into another account option. You will find the login fields here. Below it, locate and tap on Forgot Password option. This will initiate the password recovery process. You will be prompted to enter your phone number associated with your Instagram account. Enter your phone number here and click on that Find Account button. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Instagram will now search for your account based on the information you provided. Click on the account. Once your account is identified, click on Continue. You will then directed to a page where you can create a new password. Ensure that your password is strong, including a mix of letters, symbols, and special characters to enhance security. Below you will see Log out of other devices. You can click on it to log out of other devices if someone uses your account. Now click on Continue. It will take some time and there you go. You have successfully resetted your password on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.